Good evening everyone. Today is Dev Diwali or Kartika. This Kartika is very much an important day for the Devi Sankalpa, Devi Bhava. That is whether it is Mahalakshmi. Mahalakshmi means Sri, means Aishwaryam, means Aishwarya. हमारे लाइफ के anything that is important to us, that is prosperity or abundance. Also, Shakteya pujas, especially it is very important for Ma Durga, Ma Kali, Ma Lakshmi and Ma Saraswati. In many states, it is celebrated as Kartika, where people adorn their houses with lights and putting the small lamps like this. You can see the mud lamps in front of their houses, which means to invite Ma Lakshmi or the Devi in any form, be it Ma Durga, Ma Saraswati, Ma Mahakali or Maha Saraswati, Ma Lakshmi, all these forms, and Ma Parvati also. So these are some of the things which you can perform on every Purnima. Purnima, 27th November. Today Purnima and Kartika are coming together. And these are some of the things which you can do to please or invoke the blessings of Ma Lakshmi and all the three other forms of Ma Lakshmi, that is Ma Durga, Ma Saraswati and Ma Kali. You can make a prasadam or nivedya of some of the things which you have. In southern states it's called the Trimaduram, which is very which is a favorite of Ma's prasadam. That is just crushing the kadali banana, or if you don't have kadali banana you can use the normal banana along with honey and mishri. It is called Kalkandam in Malayalam and in the Mishri. You can see, you can just offer this prasadam or nivedyam to Ma. Try to use hibiscus flowers or red flowers and offer tulsi mala to Ma Lakshmi. And some of the favorite flowers of Ma Lakshmi is of course lotus flower. If you can get a lotus flower, well and good. Otherwise roses will also be very nice. And you can use the Ixora flower and try to light a ghee lamp in front of Ma and pray for the prosperity of your children. This is a very good ritual or puja to do so that your children study well and they flourish in their lives, in both personal and professional lives. So you can just pray to Ma and chant the different stotras of Ma Lakshmi or the Kanakadara Sotram or Ma Durga Chalisa or Devi Mahatmyam, and pleasing and praising Ma Kali and even Ma Kali, her mantra, and do try out this ritual and invoke the blessings of the Durga, Lakshmi and Saraswati in different forms. Have a blessed day, have a blessed Purnima and have a blessed Kartika.